This has to be the prettiest beauty egg so far, and it's from Lush. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This gorgeous beauty egg contains 5 Lush products and it retails for £42. If you're interested in this egg for yourself, then as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. But yeah, I really love this egg. It's such a keepsake egg. I'm going to keep it as a household decoration for years to come. It's just cardboard, but it's just so pretty, isn't it? My daughter has already spotted this on the bed. She goes, can I have a look inside? I said, no, because I tend to have problems with eggs, as in, as soon as I open it up, as you can tell, it's full of these little foamy things, then guaranteed I won't be able to get it all back in. It looks like something has broken. Oh, it is, something's broken. Oh, the smell is amazing, as you'd imagine. I absolutely love it. Hold on, let's get... Oh my gosh, I think it's a bath bomb. Bath bomb was broken. Oh, I've just... Look at that. It's a little carrot. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Right, I'm just going to get all the items out. Right, because the bath bomb has come apart. It's covered all the products. I'm going to have to get a towel or something. I'll be back. Inside the egg, you've got a little leaflet here, and it tells you a little bit of information about the products. Not all of them, only 3 out of 5. And I've got a card here for 10% off. Oh, I was just going to share with you the QR code, but there's no point. You need this actual voucher to take it into a store with you. I've never had to complain to Lush before, so I don't know what the customer service is going to be like when I tell them that my egg arrived broken, and it just happened to be the bath bomb out of everything, so it's all crumbled away. Can you see it's in the shape of an egg, and this has come apart, and you got a little bunny. That is super cute. I'd imagine that would all like crumble away. That is so cute, really cute. I don't have a bath, so I'm not that upset, but I will be getting in touch with Lush, because obviously I did pay for it and I was going to pass it on. It smells gorgeous though. What's it called? It's called a surprise bunny, and it smells like lemons and sherbets and just smells of sweets. It is really lovely. I do like it. It's just a shame that, yeah, it came apart. Next is this gorgeous carrot. Look how cute that is. It's got a bit of the bath bomb on it. Oh, that is just gorgeous. What is this then? It's a yellow baby rainbow carrot. It's a reusable bubble bar. Even though I don't have a bath, I mention this all the time, but if you're new to my channel, I have foot baths, and I put things like this in a foot bath. It's got a bit of the bath bomb all over it, but that is so cute. That is really cute. That's got more like a perfumey smell to it. It's still a fruity scent, but I think it's got more of a perfume. Yeah, I love that. We've got a soap, and this is Nice Buns Hun's. So you see the little feet. Really cute. A bottom of a rabbit. What is that smell? I'm gonna have to look up online. It smells like cinnamon bun, so maybe that's what it is. Easter and all that. It does. It's just like a hot cross bun. It's going from bad to worse. There's a QR code on the sheet of paper there for more information. It just brings me to a page that says that it's a gift, and that is it. I can't scroll, can't find any information out. Hopefully there'll be more actually on the website. So if you were to buy this soap on its own, it'll cost you £7. Cinnamon buns, take a hike. Hot cross buns, get out of here. It's time to meet your new favourite buns. No buts. As you lather up these sweet buns, fruity butchu oil and warming ginger oil combine, leaving a sugary and warming scent behind. Yeah, it's literally a hot cross bun smelling soap. That is so lovely. It's really good. We've combined our in-house coconut soap base with a much loved rapeseed and coconut oil to give plenty of fluffy bubbles and a nice firm bar, or firm buns if you will. We've added candied orange peel infusion for extra indulgence. Yeah, I really like that. Going back to the Surprise Bunny Bath Bomb, if you were to buy that, it'll cost you £5.50. Seek out scents of floral, ylang ylang, woody base note of rosewood oil and a sneaky bergamot refresher. A bath bomb that breaks into 2 halves. So that's the information about that one. And let's go back to see about the carrot. If you were to purchase this on its own, it'll cost you £3.75. Fresh and fragrant lemon and bergamot uplift and revitalise your senses like a walk through that allotment on a warm spring day. A pinch of carrot powder for soft skin and soft bath water too. And they come in different colours apparently. So there's lots to choose from. Next we've got Golden Egg. This is a shower gel. Which came first, getting completely and utterly coated in glitter or the golden egg? There's 125 mils there. Look at that colour. Wow. What's the smell of? Oh my gosh, that's like caramel. I think so anyway. It's like a caramelly, chocolatey smell. I'll have a read now, see what it says. If you were to buy this on its own, it costs you £8.50. No need to pinch yourself. You really are showering in buttery toffee and caramel. Well, the closest thing to it, we've taken the exceptionally glitter golden egg and bottled it into a shower gel to bring the shimmer to your shower and keep you smelling like a total snack all Easter long. Yeah, caramel toffee flavoured shower gel. I know my daughter would love that. And then lastly, we have got Easter Turtle, and there's a shower jelly, and there's 90 grams here. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting that. Woo. Okay, shall I try and get it out? Is it supposed to be like this? Oh, it's an octo. No, it's literally a turtle. Oh, this is so cute. How the heck could you use this though? Look. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look, it's all squidgy. It's coming from my hands. Hope you can see. The smell's amazing. Yeah, I can't describe it. Really can't describe it, but it smells amazing. That was easy to flop back in there. All right then. It's a limited edition Easter Turtle shower jelly. If you were to buy it on its own, it'd be £7.50. I'll say in that. Hold on a minute. What size have I got here? You can have a ginormous one for 220 grams for £15. I've got the 90 grams and that's £7.50. There's nothing tough about this turtle. Ride waves of softening carrageenan with toning organic apple juice to gently cleanse. I know, oh, that's right. I can smell apple now that I read it. And exfoliate hard shells. Now that's totally awesome. Oh, it's so nice. What on earth is a carrageenan? It's a mucilage extracted from Irish moss seaweed and it gives the jelly-like texture. I love that. And I can smell the apples now. It's clear. Why on earth couldn't I pick that up first of all? I wonder if like legs and heads would come off when I use it. But no, I love that. I think that would make an amazing gift for a child as well. Especially a big one. So there you go, those are all the products in the Lush Easter Beauty Egg. It cost £42 and I'm not the best at maths. I don't think you're saving money by getting this egg. Possibly comes to around £30, something around that anyway. If you're thinking of purchasing it and saving a lot of money by getting a load of products, then it's not going to happen. You are actually paying for the beautiful egg as well, which is a keepsake if you wanted to keep it, that is. I'm going to get in touch with Lush and see what they say about my broken bath bomb and whether they can exchange it for me. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? I do think it would make a gorgeous gift. Definitely. It is just beautifully packaged and some really nice products inside as well. And that hot cross bun soap. Oh, that's just so, so nice. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think and whether you've bought one for yourself or not. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.